Now that's a bloody adventure, right? Whew, that got me sweating. Very dicey. Even these guys I just spoke to, they're like, are you sure you want to be doing this? What kind of tyres are you riding on? So I might have to get that front tyre sorted. The back brake lever is not looking too great, so I might have to do something about it when I get home. They said this is the worst part, so hopefully the rest is somewhat straight. Yeah, speaking about sponsors, this is the first sponsor I've ever had. I've had two people that actually donated some really cool products to me. One is obviously the drone, which is amazing. I absolutely love it. And the other one is the Senna, of which both I could do a review actually. There's the company called Unbreakable & Co. These guys here, they decided to give me some of their gear. Very fitting because this motorcycle is unbreakable. So they decided to join up with me and they'd like to see me wear their gear because they love what I do. They love the channel, they love watching the videos, and they think that fits their brand really well. I'd like to thank you Unbreakable Riderz Co. I'd like to thank you for the opportunity of supporting you guys and you guys supporting me. My phone just went off. Somehow I've got reception in the middle of nowhere. That feels insane. Middle of nowhere and still got reception. You know what, while we're here we should just get the drone up, hey? Just have another quick look at what it looks around here and then we'll try and make our way out of here. Alright, let's do it. It's flattened out a little bit, which is nice. I guess this will be an expensive little trip because I gotta get a new brake. Very rocky again. I went by your house, what a big mistake. For a while I thought that I wouldn't break. Lots of new growth, looks really good. Now you can tell we're right on top of the mountain here because the trees are not that tall, because obviously they go into the wind a lot. What's with all these rocks? I need something else to clear my head. Wow, this is the smoothest it's been so far. Someone to tell me how to live instead. Oh, it's hard to keep my foot on the brake because it's up high. It makes it a bit hard for my ankle. Oh, it looks like this is the end of it. So this is sort of an unsealed road. Road closed. Okay, let's have a look at the map, see if we can get ourselves back home. What an adventure! Alright, takes about 20 hours to walk home. I might try and go by car. Cool, let's start. Just open your eyes and take my advice. Have you guys watched my video about the little Cramp buster? That thing down here? That's really good. I really enjoy it, hey. It's funny, it's a hit or a miss. There's not much in between. Either people like it or they don't. This is actually also what I like. You're kind of in the middle of nowhere and yet there are people around. So you're not completely deserted. Like if you get in trouble, there is a chance you might still see someone. I mean, obviously I'll let my wife know what area I'm in. So if I don't communicate home, then obviously she knows there might be something going on. At least she'll know what road I'm on and what area. You know, I might be stranded somewhere, but maybe at least someone can find me that way. There's a lot of dirt tracks around here and I think it's pretty popular in the four-wheel drive community. There's also some camping areas too, so I might have to explore those as well. I think now everyone can go out and about again. Everyone's trying to go out and camping, so it's I've heard it's pretty busy everywhere. So I have to wait and see and decide where I might go. And obviously I need to find the time to actually go out there. Have you guys been camping again? It's definitely starting to get colder now. This is what it's all, whoa, this is what it's all about. Talk to me, baby, I've been waiting for a lifetime. Just keep on fading in all these photos, caught in the memories and captured in the highlights. Just How nice does it look out here? Bumpy.
Hoping you'll come around, drown in our fighting wood. Whatever can be found, 'cause I've given in to all my demons lately. You know,
I think I can see the river down there, so we must be getting close to where I started. Oh yeah, there we go, we're back on the road! Woo! And that's a nice view. I gotta say, this machine, I love it! I gotta say, this jumper is really comfortable, and the logo, what do you reckon? I reckon it's a pretty good logo. If you want to know more about them, I'll leave a link down below. Check out their gear. They've got quite a few things, and it's an Australian company. If you like to support your locals, then this is a way to do it. Do any of you guys wear a scarf?
I keep on hoping somehow we can make this all right. Just keep
Tasty.
on trying.
This is magnetic, and some of these rocks, they want to keep staying on. That's pretty cool. Call Diana.
Calling Diana.
Alright, how's it going? That was a great adventure, wasn't it? As always, I'd like to thank you for joining me on my journey, and I'll see you in the next one, eh? See ya. Come on, bitch.